foggy this morning. It's only still 7:30. We got up at 6. You can't even see the bridge this morning. It's pretty cool too. It's about 7 degrees. All packed up, ready to go. It's Crichton just putting the last final touches to his packing up. We had to pack things up wet, mainly the tent. The rest is a bit damp.
Good morning, everybody. It's a foggy start today. Everything was quite moist. Packing up. But we're on the road nice and early, 7:30.
We're off-roading it at the moment. Going past the healing centre. Don't know how the road bikes do it. I think they have to walk their bikes on this section. She's a little soft.
Across the river now. Nothing like 500 metres of 10% before 10 AM in the morning. I'll just get up here and have a bit of a spell while we wait for Cecile to get up. Oh, there's a seat here. Look at that. It's just made for hills. Over here. Lovely. Oh, it's become foggy and cold again as we come back onto the main river. There's a couple up ahead of us that they ride in a tandem. They are Korean people, and we just met them at the top of the last hill. And they gave us a chocolate bar. We didn't have anything to give them back. But lovely people. They're on their way to Busan, 300 kilometers away.
We are entering Gangwon State. Going over the Hangang River again.
I'd love to see all these in fruit. I think they're apple trees. I think the ones back further were peach. vehicle coming. Perfect. I nearly got over the edge. Well, this one's just too steep. This right here would have to be like 15%, I reckon. Oh, buddy. Lucky I wasn't on the corner. We're just coming into a little town, I think called Yaeju, where we hope to find something to eat and drink. What have we got over here? I didn't think it was going to be a stamp station, but it is a stamp station. It is a stamp station. Must be number 10. Wow. That's nice dumplings. Where are you guys from? Seoul Junction. Today? Oh, we go to Chungju Dam. Oh, you're going to the dam too? Oh, you're probably fast. Very slow. Oh.
You go to the dam, you camp at the dam?
Eh?
You sleep at the dam?
No, we go to Chungju Dam through Chungju City.
Oh, city.
We have sleeping. Yesterday from Seoul to Yaeju.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Today Yaeju to Chungju.
okay. Nice.
Yes. Okay. See ya.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later, yes.
That was another long 10% incline. Straight after a belly of dumplings. I'm looking forward to the downhill.
Decent hill. The guys we met at the cafe there, they're already passing. It's been on the road for a while now. Hopefully there'll be a bicycle path again soon. But first we're going to go downhill. Holy moly, man. See you soon. There's nowhere to be seen. I'll check he hasn't gone past the sign. So slowly. Yeah, Crichton has flown past. I bet he was going really fast down the hill and just missed his turn off. So I just sent him a message and he says, I'll see if I can go through the town to meet back up with the bike path, because obviously he doesn't want to cycle back up halfway up the hill. So I'll just wait here for a moment to see if he can find a way. Here he comes back up the hill. Obviously he couldn't find another way to catch up with the bike trail. He's just getting a bit of extra work.
There was no other
Leg
road.
work.
I had to come back here.
Oh, I feel for you.
Fuck, I didn't even see that. Walking down the hill.
I thought you would have been flying.
Yeah, I got to the bottom of the cafe there and I thought, oh, I'll just pull up here and wait. Wrecked a bloody jumper. That's a beautiful jumper wrecked. Look at this.
Here he comes up the ramp.
See what happened?
I don't know, I thought something must have happened. Oh no, not your favourite chair. It gets stuck in the spikes, did it?
Yeah. Got stuck in the brake disc,
In
actually.
the brake? You didn't fall or anything?
No. I stopped.
Show us.
I'll throw it
What
away.
happened? Cut the sleeves
Oh, I
off.
suppose I could.
Oh, what a bummer. You love that shirt too.
Yeah. It is. Thank you. The next dam on the Hangnang River system. That dam wall now. Chungju. To the right. There it is.
supermarket. Get something to drink. Powerade and some snacks. Something salty. Sweating. Powerade, Powerade. Where are you? Lost in Korea.
So we put over and say hello.